everyone. Okay, so you guys are seeing me. I'm using my flashlight, and the hurricane came and it did its own damage. I have some roofing and some stuff from my neighbor that flew into my yard, and I have to clean it up today, so that's part of what I have to do today. But it's 5 a.m. right now and I am doing my workout. I always do my workout on the treadmill and all that stuff, but I did my stretching. So I don't know if you guys can, let me see. Can you guys see? It's kind of dark. So I did my stretching and then I'm gonna do my jump rope. Hopefully you guys can see. I have my timer over here. My timer is still going off. I have my timer over here to time me. And then I'm gonna do my weights over here. And I'm listening to the radio. We had to bring the grill. Our grill fell over last night from outside, so we had to bring the grill inside. And then these are propane, our cushion cover, because that would have been blown away. So I'm just listening to the radio now while I'm jump roping. Guys, see, I'm already sweating. I ate my breakfast, took my bath. Let me turn down the AC, and let me just turn off the car for a minute so that you guys can hear me. And I am already sweating. I had to close the garage, lock up the house, and now I have my work equipment and everything here because I still gotta work. So I have to go and find somewhere where I can work, and I do have my own personal Wi-Fi because I don't use public Wi-Fi. So I have my personal Wi-Fi here that I can use. Someone said that there is phone reception. I have no phone reception. I have nothing. I mean, absolutely nothing. One of my neighbors are still running their generator. Some of them run it all night long because, you know, some people have elderly people that live with them. But my husband was telling me that, oh, maybe we should get a generator, which is fine with me. We've lived there for over about 20 years without a generator. I mean, it's fine with me. But at this point, I have to go, and because I start working like 45 minutes, so I'm gonna drive around, see if I can go more north. I think someone said that there was more power on the west side or on the east side, so I'm gonna go towards East Houston and see if I can find power about 30 minutes 40 minutes away from me. And when I get there, you guys will see. Okay, and then I do have to check up on Tolani to see how she's doing. They do have power, they have electricity, they have internet at the university, so she is good. Apart from that, let me get going. So I've been driving for 40 minutes now eastward, and there's still no power, so I'm going to head off southwest and see if I can find some power. So you know what, I just contacted my friend and she lives in that area, and she said she doesn't have any power, so I'm gonna head off north. So I think heading off north might be my better choice, so I'm gonna go northwest or northwest and see if I can get power northwest. Okay guys, so you guys saw that it's a mess. So driving towards the west side, my husband was going to work, and he got to work. This is like early this morning. He managed to get to work, no problem. There's no power, and so I called someone that lives on the west side. They said they don't have any power, so the highway was filled, so I just turned around and now I am stuck. I managed to be able to get somebody that worked in my co-worker, one of my co-worker, and just told them that I'm not gonna be able to make it. It's a mess. So I'm sitting in my car now, and I'm gonna try and see. I'm close to the highway where I was able to get reception, so I'm hoping that maybe I can get maybe I can get reception nearby, so at least to call my kids and check up on them, and call my dad, my mom, you know, just to make sure that everybody knows that I'm doing okay. So let's see if that works. I don't know. I haven't yet. And you know, something was telling me to schedule all my posts for my social media, but I don't know why I didn't. So now I don't even know what to do. I'm gonna see if I can get social media somewhere in this area. I'm in an area and I see a lot of cars. See, there's not a lot of cars, but there's some cars parked around me. Everybody's trying to connect and see what they can do. So let me see if I can get that information, but if not, y'all, I'm just gonna head off home. There's really nothing I can do. Oh, and by the way, I can't keep on driving around because there's no gas. There's no gas. All the gas stations are closed because there's no power to run the gas. So why I can't even waste gas. I have only 100 and something miles. I can't waste gas. So let me just take my ass and go back home. So my husband's workplace, he left for work, remember? And that's him in his car. He left for work, but no power at work. So I told him to come and join me in this parking lot because there is power in this parking lot next to the highway. Yep, that's it.